Now gurus and new news, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movement. Grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit that I am going to be reviewing today was sent to me by Julia Hair. Shout out to you, Julia Hair, for sending me this unit. Y'all, I'm going to keep it a whole buck with you. I did get this unit because it was giving me fall vibes. And honey, fall is just your girl's season, okay? That is my season. So right here, as you guys can see, it just kind of gives you that autumn-ish type of vibe. Right here, I am showing you guys the cap construction. Now, this unit is a closure wig, honey, okay? It is not a 4x4 closure. You can't part this joker nowhere else. So I want to throw that out there because I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what world I was in, but I honestly thought the wig was a closure, a 4x4 closure. Okay, y'all forgive me, honey. Okay, it's been rough. I'm homeschooling. Okay, so just forgive me of any mistakes that I have in the few weeks coming up. Just forgive me. Charge it to my head and not my heart, honey. Okay, my mother-in-law said that to me one time. I thought it was dope, so I figured I'd throw it out there to y'all. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me style this wig. And if you're interested in details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. And I will see you little bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Julia Hair. Shout out to you, Julia Hair, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is their Julia Straight Wave lace part wig, Ombre Orange Ginger hair color, middle part human hair wig, 150% density. Child, they be killing me with these names. They be long, girl. They be long, okay? Do I see? Let's see the description of it. It says, the type Brazilian hair wig, wig type lace closure wig, texture straight human hair wig. The length available is 12 to 24 inches. It says machine made and hand tied. The color is LT4/30. Material 100% human hair. Average cap size, 150% density. Slight bleach knots, pre-plucked hairline, natural hairline, glueless, baby hair all around the perimeter. And yeah, it says new look starts from 100% healthy human hair. Easy to care, can last more than 1 year. The proper care, no sew in, quick style in minutes, wear and go. Okay. As far as shedding and tangling goes with this unit, I don't feel like this unit really sheds at all. I didn't notice any shedding so far. Now, honey, later on down the road, girl, she may be shedding, but right now, straight out the packaging, first impression, she does not shed, and I didn't experience any tangling. This is a unit that came straight. It is a straight hair wig that I initially just wanted to add a little wave to it, girl, just a little sun, and that turned into a whole curl. Okay, like I didn't even use my the curling iron that I normally use because I just wanted to have a little wave, and I ended up with this. So yeah, and also keep in mind this wig is 150% density. Like that is the only density that this unit comes in, and it does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and that's it. Now, as far as this wig being big head friendly, I think you could fit it if you have a big head. I don't feel like you can fit it if you have a water head, girl. Like if your head is just like, you know, I have a cousin that have that kind of head. Like she recently just gave me one of my wigs back because she was like, girl, I can't fit that. I can't fit that. So if you have like one of those heads, then you may want to stay away from this because I did not adjust the straps in the back, and it fits. It's still a little loose, but it fits fine. You know what I mean? So just keep that in mind. Right now, I do consider myself more of a small head. Like, girl, your girl is getting hair back, so I'm looking a little bushy up here. But I do still consider myself more on the small head side of the spectrum than not. So keep that in mind. Despite what my husband said about my forehead, keep that in mind, honey. Okay, I do consider myself small head friendly right now. Oh, okay, so the one con that I do want to mention with this wig that I noticed, I was about to tweeze it, to tweeze the hairline. So mind you guys, I did not tweeze the hairline with this unit whatsoever. So this is the hairline, and it looks phenomenal in my opinion. I think it looks good. But I do want to mention that I didn't tweeze it at all because on this side, not on this side at all, really. Yes, it is. But on this side specifically, there is a track right here. So you have to be really, really careful on styling this wig. And matter of fact, I feel like with this wig, you probably can only wear it in a middle part or, you know, with shifting the wig. So keep that in mind because this is a track right here, okay, on either side. So this is all of the space that you're going to get. So it is closure, girl, like closure. So keep that in mind because you're not going to be able to part this wig elsewhere. This wig, you're going to really have to wear it where the parting comes. So definitely keep that in mind when it comes to this unit. I want to point that out, okay? Because this is track, girl. This is right here. This is track, you see? So yeah, keep that in mind when purchasing this unit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick length check, and then we can get into how I feel about this unit. So this is all of the hair on me. Now granted, y'all, I don't know how long this wig is. Did they tell me, girl? I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask them. But this is where it comes to me. I am 5'4". I did cut some of the hair just like in the upper parts of it to layer it some, but I didn't really cut this part like down here. So this is where it comes to me. And this is where it comes to me in the back. Keep in mind that I am 5'4", okay? Okay, so if you are interested in how I feel about this wig and anything that I did to and all that good stuff, then please continue to watch. Y'all, I have been playing with these lights, okay? Y'all just kind of let me know, okay? Let me know, because I feel like I kind of got rid of the oranginess of it. Like, do you like this? Do you feel like I'm getting there? Am I getting where I need to be? I do still have some orange lights up here. I'm waiting on some more lights to come in, but I have gotten lights. Y'all let me know. Like, I ain't trying to go like that, girl. Like, no, we do not want that no more. But I've been playing with them and trying to find like what works for me and what works for my complexion. Just kind of let me know what you guys think about the lighting situation, girl. So yeah. Anyways, now we can get into this wig. Okay, y'all. So honestly, I am definitely feeling this wig. Even when I got it, I did plan on wearing it straight like it came. And then when it got here, I was like, girl, I need a little body in it, okay? I needed to have a little body in it. So I was just planning on just adding a few waves, because some straight wigs don't super curl. And y'all, I ended up with these curls. So that's another plus of this wig. It does come as a straight unit, but as you can tell, I added a few curls. I literally left that in. And I didn't even use my good curling iron, girl. I used my wand curler, and I say I'm not the best at wand curling, so usually those curls don't really be the best, but this is what we got, honey. I did pin curl it a little bit, but the pin curls only stayed in for maybe 30 minutes or so, and this is what I got. So it does hold the curl, so that's a plus. So even though it comes straight, you can curl it, girl. You can do whatever you want to with her, and you will still get like a good little curl, girl. Okay, now how long them curls last, I can't tell you. I'm gonna be wearing her to work tonight, so I guess I'll know. I guess I'll know, and maybe I'll remember to write it across the screen like how the curls held up. But so far so good. I did use some holding spray with it, and yeah, we'll just see how long they last. Okay, now with the color, I did choose this particular color because I felt like it was fall appropriate. I did actually have on a darker lip. What was the lip that I had on? I had on the Fenty Beauty, the Mademoiselle Shawty. I had that color on first, and then I was like, no, I didn't like how it looked. So then I decided to go for the retro matte. No, that ain't it. Then I decided to go for the mocha and the matte color. So that's what I have on now. I did just wanted to have like that fall vibe, but that Fenty Beauty was just a little bit too harsh, girl. It was aging the bejesus out of me. I need on some dark hair with that, I think. Like, I love a dark lip with some dark hair. I love that sort of vibe, but sometimes with hair that's this color and that, it can really age me, especially with my complexion. I wasn't feeling it. So yeah, that is what I have on. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys fall vibes. Fall is definitely my favorite season. I'm so excited for fall. Like, oh my God, it's my favorite season. So I have been just like gearing up for it. So when I picked out this hair color, I was like, yes, this is fall hair. And it did not disappoint. I love the hair. It is gorgeous. It was easy to style because it is a closure unit. You can't go wrong with a good closure, in my personal opinion. Now, as far as what I did to it, obviously I did tell you guys that I wand curled it, but I also did cut a few layers in it because I just wanted some layers. Whether I was going to wear it straight or not, I still wanted a few layers in it because I just feel like that frames your face so much better when you have a few layers, girl. It's just something about a good layer, okay? So yeah, I did do that. And what else did I do? I did use my wand curler and I pushed the hair back like right in here because, you know, you want that good, you know, frontal type look even if you're not wearing a frontal. So I did do that to kind of push this little part back. And I did also use my straightening comb to just get everything to lay flat, and my bed head wax stick. Yeah, that is pretty much it. But yeah, I'm feeling the unit. I think the unit is an entire look. I think it is great for fall. It can also be a summer wig. Like, I just feel like it's like one of those colors because it does have 30 in it. And in my opinion, 30 can definitely go from summer to fall and whatever, girl. It's just one of those colors. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look. Let me know down below what you guys think. Would you rock this color? Do you think she's a vibe? Do you think she's fall? Like, let me know what you think down below in the comments. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So let me know down below what you guys think. Are you feeling it? Is it a look to you? Let me know down below. You guys know I want to know, girl. Give me the tea. Let me know, are you feeling it like I'm feeling it? Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, y'all, that's it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both the IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.